In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Snowflake database. If you're new to Snowflake or brushing up on your skills, this guide will walk you through creating a database step by step, ensuring that you have a solid grasp of the process. First, you're going to need to log into Snowflake. Specifically, you should log into Snowsite, which is the web-based user interface for Snowflake. Snowsite provides an intuitive and easy-to-navigate interface that will help you perform tasks without needing extensive SQL knowledge. So, once you have access to your account, you can start by entering your credentials and logging in. When you've successfully logged in, the next step is to direct your attention to the navigation pane on the left-hand side of the interface. From here, find and click on the Data tab. Once you're in the Data section, you should see an option for Databases. Go ahead and click on Databases. This section will give you a view of any existing databases associated with your account, providing a clear picture of how your data is organized. Now that you're in the right spot, look for the button that says either Plus Database or Create, which is typically located towards the top of the databases page. This is your gateway to creating a new database, so give it a click. Once you've initiated the creation process, a form will pop up where you'll be required to enter important details about your new database. The first thing you need to provide is the database name. It's crucial to remember that this name must be unique across your account. Snowflake won't accept names with spaces or special characters unless you use quotes, so keep it simple and straightforward, yet unique enough to differentiate it from any other databases you might have. In the same form, you have the option to enter a comment about the database. This comment is entirely optional, but can be useful if you have specific points to remember about the purpose or contents of the database. Comments can often serve as a good reminder or reference for any other users who might access the database in the future. After you've entered all the necessary details, the final step is to click on the Create button. By doing so, you will officially create your database in Snowflake. Once it's created, you'll see it listed alongside any of your other databases in the Snowflake environment. And there you have it, a new Snowflake database ready to go. Hopefully this straightforward process has been clear and easy to follow. If you have any existing database structures or need to integrate data, you'll find that this platform is well equipped to handle your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy data managing.